Hey, hello everyone. I'm Kishore. Hope you are good and enjoying the coding. This is our second session. In this session, we will learn about the variables in Python. In first session, we have seen the introduction of the Python and we have written first hello world program in Python. Let me open the program which we have written. Okay, yeah. So this is the program which we have written. Here we have used two functions, input and print. Print function is used to show the output over the console, and input function is used to take the input from the user. Let me copy this input as it is and paste here. So this is my first program. What is your name? So it has printed the input which I have provided here, but now if I have to use same input which I have provided, I will not be able to use that input because I don't know where I have stored that name, right? So then how we can achieve this? If I have to store something internally into the program and in future I can use the same value. Okay, so for that we need a variables. Okay, let's understand the variables in detail. I have created another file, Python file variables.py. I'm copying this input value as it is. Okay, yeah. So instead of name, I'm taking this as a xxxx. Okay. So what is your name? So this is my first question. What is your name? I can ask what is your age. I can ask what is your address. It means I can ask any question and its input or its value I can store in this variable xxxx. Okay, so it means any type of value we can store in this variable. It can be a numeric value, it can be a decimal value, it can be a boolean value, or it can be a string or combination of string, array, any type of value I will store here. Okay, then what different type of value we can store into this variable? Let's understand that first. A is equal to 10, b is equal to this, c is equal to Python, d is equal to any address, e is equal to, this is my education, f is equal to, I have written something. Okay, that's it. Okay, these are the different values we can, for now we can consider these are the different values. Okay, and we have stored this value into the variables. Then what is this variable? So simply the variable is a container that hold this value. It's virtual name of that container. It means this is C is a variable that is a virtual name of the container that holds the value of this Python. D is a virtual name of the container which hold the value of this address. Okay, then what is this? This is, we can say that y. Any name which we can give to a variable, but while giving a name we have to follow some rules. Okay, then what are those rules? Let's understand those rules first. Variable in Python always start with letters and underscore, and it can be a combination of letter, underscore and number. This is our first rule. Okay, let's create some variable names. Variables can start with letters, it can start with underscore, but it never start with numbers. Here it is a combination of number, underscore or underscore number any, but it never start with numbers. This is our first rule. Second rule is in Python spaces are not allowed in variable names. Okay, so this is not allowed in Python. If you have to declare any variable, You cannot give a space. Third is Python is a case sensitive when it comes to a variable name. So I have created one variable name, that is first name. Okay, same variable I can create here, but here I have used n as a capital. These are the two different variables because in Python variables are case sensitive. First name is a different variable, first capital N is a different variable. Python requires descriptive variable names. Okay, we'll see that later. Then we can use any below format to declare variable: camel case, Pascal case, and snake case. When we have a multiple words, like if you want to declare any variable and it have a multiple words, like first name. First is one word, name is a second word, and you want to declare a variable with first name, then you must follow at least one of the format. These are the three formats. Okay, first is a camel case. Then in camel case, first n, this is called as camel case. Okay, the first letter of all words that comes after first word, all first letter will be capital letter. Okay, first name, these are the two words. First is small case, name is in small case, but its name will be uppercase. Okay, this is called as camel case. Next is a Pascal case. Same things in Pascal case, but both words will start with capital letter. Okay, in snake case, all letters in lowercase, but they are separated by using a underscore. This is called as snake case. Okay, these are the three formats which we can follow when we have to declare a variables with more than one words. First name, last name, then is Python, do you like Python? We can create a variable, do you like Python, but we cannot give a space, right? So what we'll do, either we can use underscore, okay, or we can use this format, camel case or Pascal case, right? So in this way we can declare a variable. So here I have declared a variables, and here one important rule is Python require descriptive variable name. What is this? A is equal to 10. I am not able to understand what is this. A is equal to 10. Okay, C is a Python. I don't know what is the purpose of this variable name. So for understanding those in detail, we need to give a descriptive name. Sorry, let's give a descriptive name here. So instead of A, I will say age. Instead of B, I will say salary. So my age is 32, my salary is this. C is a Python, my language is this, my address is this is my education, and do you like Python? Yes, I like a Python. Now you can see the difference between these variable names and difference between these variables name. These variables are called as a descriptive variables. When you give a variable name in a descriptive, at that time we can easily understand what is the purpose of that variable and what value that variable can hold. Age is equal to, if I declare age variable, it means that variable can hold the value of numeric. You can assign any value, but based on its name we can understand this variable having age. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. So I am revising once again variable rules in Python. All variable names always start with letters and underscore. It is a combination of letter, underscore, and numbers. Okay, in Python, space, in any programming language, spaces are not allowed in variable names. Python is a case sensitive, so the variables which we have declared by using a different cases, lower cases or uppercase, those are a different variables. Okay, and Python requires a descriptive variable names. If you have a multiple words and you have to declare a variables, then use either Pascal case, camel case, or snake case. Okay, so I hope you got the idea about the variables, and if you have any doubt about the variables or the program which we have written, please comment me in comment section. I will provide more details. Okay, thank you. See you in next session.